ourselves.
My name is Alina Radiata Alia.
My name is Putri Maharani Agustin.
My name is Komalatul Nisha.
My name is Faidatul Maulida Rahma.
My name is Rama Persiba.
Today we will learn how to make ice cream. And keep watching, guys!
Oh, it's so hard today. Are you thirsty?
Yeah, I don't have any day. How about we make a drink?
Yeah!
How about ice syrup?
I agree, let's do it!
Come on.
Come on!
Ingredients: ice and watermelon.
Syrup, water,
Tools: straw and spoon.
And plastic cup.
Let's make. First, put the ice cup into the glass.
Second, add the syrup to taste and give water. Finally, add the watermelon, stir, and it's ready to